So remember how I talked in the first Swolemas vlog about how I play guitar? Well, today I think I'm gonna go try to look at them and possibly purchase one. So let's go. Hey Sook, you wanna come too? We're gonna go to the guitar store and check out what they have. Come along. Check it out, you guys. I got it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Suki's excited too, look. You're so excited for mommy's new toy. Yes. What's it smell like? Smell like shreds. Oh. Do you guys want to hear me play? I'm really not good. I haven't played in like 2 years, so let's see what old Mama Swole can play. You don't like the guitar? Wait guys, look at Suki. Every time I play a note, watch her. What? You don't like my guitar? I have some serious brushing up to do, so I'm gonna do that and then maybe I'll play for you guys. I don't know. But I like that it's all white. I feel like it's very clean. It's pretty, right? I need to tune it up and all that shit. And then I'm gonna try to learn a song. I don't know which song yet, but we'll let Suki choose. She's so freaked out by my guitar. Why are you so freaked out by it? Oh my god, you're so weird. You gonna play us a song? I love you. Love you. Does anyone else's dog do this when they get, like, when they play a guitar? Does anyone else's dog freak out like she is? Give this video a like for Suki dog. What should we name her? What are we gonna name her, guys? What does she look like? I feel like she looks like a Crystal or a Claudia or maybe Mitchell, because that's the brand. Comment below what names would be good. I'm so excited to finally be reunited. Okay, so I kind of learned The Weekend by Mac Miller just now. So let's play it and see how it goes. I'm not a good singer, okay? It's all for fun, right? Alright. So I don't know where I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put it in some video at some point. This is very random, but I was just watching a documentary about Mac Miller. It's just got me in my feels, man. For those of you who don't know, I'm a huge Mac Miller fan. Like, I fucking love his music. I think he seems like he was an amazing, beautiful person. I really like watching interviews of him, and it's just really inspiring to me. In the documentary, it was talking about how when he first put out his album, I think it was Blue Slide Park, he got a lot of really bad criticism and people were saying it was a shit album and everything. Even though people were saying that, he just still kept going and he was still successful. I just feel like if you're gonna put yourself out there, you have to be ready for that. You have to be able to not let it affect you and not believe it. This is just kind of a reminder to myself too, that when I'm having those days where I'm letting the heat get to me, just think like if Mac Miller would have quit, then he would have never been as successful as he was. So like, you can't let stupid hating ass bitches stop you. The other thing is, it's so cool to see how he started with like a mixtape at his house, and it was like a little mixtape that no one listened to, you know? And it's so cool that he went from that to like one of the most amazing artists, most successful. He came so far. Having a goal like that, like to be a rapper, seems almost impossible, right? Sometimes. But when you see other people's stories and learn about the steps and how they got there, it's really inspiring, because it's like, well shit, if they could do that, then I could do that too, right? So I guess I just want to say, if there's something out there that you feel like, oh my god, how am I ever gonna do this? Just know that you can do it. Please just do it. Please. I genuinely believe people could do so much if they really put all of their effort, and they can achieve anything. So seriously, if there's something that you've been wanting, or you know in the back of your head, like, that's what I really want, just fucking go for it, dude. What are you gonna lose? If you fall, at least you tried. Whatever you want, man, just fucking do it. I just had to get that off my noggin.